How to turn off sleep mode on Instagram 2025. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. You will start by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to get your profile page. Next, tap on the three horizontal line in the top right corner. This will open the menu. Now head over to settings at the bottom of the list. Now scroll down and tap on notification. This is where you manage all your Instagram alert. Look for a section that says sleep mode or do not disturb. It might be labeled differently depending on your version of the app. Here you will see an option to either turn off the sleep mode or adjust the hour during which Instagram mute notification. To stop the app from silencing your notifications, simply turn off these features. Once that's done, your Instagram notification will start coming through just like before, no matter what time of day it is. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have you any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.